hello. I'm back again. I'm at Burlington, where deals brands. Oh my God, wow. Okay, we are starting with these coats. I'm loving the color for 29.99 cents. Let me come close. I believe this is not functional. Oh, actually it is. Look, it is. And by this brand for 29.99 cents. This is available in size medium, large, same price. And here we have this one. Look what we got here. This feels so thick. If I am to jump on this, I'll go two sizes up to get the fit I want. This one is 21.99 cents. Yeah, okay. It feels good. Feels expensive. Available in different sizes. Look at this open sweater for 21.99 cents. Two-piece set. This is we are doing sweat everything. This will pass for that. Two-piece set. You can never go wrong. And this one is 29.99 cents. Yeah, but it's interesting. Sleeveless, and it feels not bad. Yeah, they are priced together. And here we have the skinny one by Jessica Simpson for $16.99. Okay, here we have these two-piece set. Let me run it down. Look. Yeah, for 29.99 cents. Okay, look at that. Good two-piece set. They are priced together. I'm loving the button closure. Let me show you this side. Here we have this, very simple, graphic tee. Look, DKNY for $16.99. It's available in other sizes. And here we have this skinny jeans by Nye West. I love Nye West jeans. $16 available in other sizes, same price. And here we have this long sleeve, bright. This can pass as a good, very light sweater for $17.99. Interesting. These are new in the store. This is skinny jeans by Jessica Simpson. I love their jeans. They are very good. $19.99. And here we have MK. Let's take a look, okay? Let's take a look. Look what we got here. Isn't this? This is everything. I'm loving this style for $34.99, and it's available in other sizes. Same price, okay? And here we have this burgundy. This should be false leather skirt. All right, it's flayed, and this one is $19.99. And here we have this turtleneck sweater. Let's just quickly run this. Yeah, look, is well beaded here, and down here is well cropped. Interesting straps. I'm loving the color combinations here. This one is $19.99. And here we have this. I'm loving this pants by Michael Kors. This looks really rich. It looks like wool. It's not. It looks heavy. And this one is $29.99. I can pay for that. Okay. And here we have this sweater. Look at these by Bebe. The quality is excellent. It's well cropped for $17.99. It's available in other sizes, same price. Look at this one. The quality is giving quality. And this one is store price, please. Store price for this is $17.99. Okay, look at this skirt. Look at this. All right, it's well flayed for $19.99. The quality is good. Okay, and here we have this top right here for $10.99. And we have something. Look at this. This looks like something I can get from. Look at this. Good designer. Interesting. The quality is good. And here we have this one for $13.99. Here you go. All right, I'm loving. I got a lot. I got two of these kind of different colors last year. It's out 29.99 cents. And look what we got here. Okay. If you have, black turtleneck in, pair that with this pant, you're good to go. $12.99. All right, let's check elsewhere. Come with me. Handbag section, let's look at this suede Guess shoulder bag. I love this. Everything suede is happening now. You'll see it's everything. Shoes, handbag, clothes, everything. Okay. And this, we have this one. Well done. For $29.99. And this shoulder bag. Yeah, I love the color. $21.99. The price, I know, is real. It's real. Affordable. This one is $19.99. And we have this Tommy Hilfiger. I love the leather. Let me come close. Yeah. And this one is, oh, see the front? See the front. Okay, with Tommy Hilfiger logo up here. Interesting. Yeah, got more bags here. This is by Steve Madden. Big bag for $39.99. This is on sale for $24.99. Yeah, they are clearing actually. Look, this is a combination of leather and suede. Yeah, looks good for $19.99. Yeah, you heard me right. Yeah. That price is real. And up here we have this one by Anna Clean for $27.99. I like the size of this bag. And I love the size. I love the style as well. And here you will see more of black handbags. Okay, look at this Dunlop one. Okay, not really. But it looks good. Jessica Cho for $19.99. It's interesting. I love that. More black bags. Look at this one by BCBG. I love the structure for $29.99. And this shoulder one with charms by Jessica Cho for $22.99. Okay. They have backpacks as well. Look at this structured one by Steve Madden. Look what we have here for $29.99. Okay, yeah, they have sunglasses as well. This one is, look at this, $6.99. This is by True Religion for $12.99. Yeah, they don't have much here today. Okay. Yeah, here they have watches. This is by Jessica Cho, and this one is 26. And we have this by Rampage. Different types of necklaces and earrings. They have this one. Yeah, this is watch bracelets. Yeah, all right. They have more down here, and behind me is more bags. Look at this big suede bag. I love this by Guess for $39.99. And same bag. Look at it here in a different color, same price. And look at what we have here. Burgundy by CK, good crossbody for $54.99. And down here they have this colorful one by DKNY for $44.99. And here we have this one, this shoulder bag, the Kevin Klein, and this one is $59. I love the leather. All right, let's check this one. To shoe section, let's quickly see what they have here. I am looking at those boots. Let's see. This is new in the store. Patent leather. Look at that. I'm loving the sole. Oh, this is good. This is good. I'm loving it. The quality is excellent. Who made this shoe? Oh my god. Nothing is okay. This is by this brand. Oh, Dream Pairs. Stock price is not on this. The quality of that shoe is very good. Okay, here we have this. Yeah, Steve. Yeah, they are good. They do this right, 29.99 cents. Interesting, and they have more boots up here. Their soles very heavy. This is 15.99 cents. Okay, this is a good loafers by CK for 49.99 cents, and we have the sneakers for 34.99 cents by Reebok. Okay, yep, and we have this ballet flat. Look what we got here for $14.99. Alright, look at these farmers boots. If you are all about this trend, it's available in the store. Burlington. Look at what we got here with this big lace for $44.99. Interesting. Interesting. And here we have this one by CK. Alright, this one is 34.99 Crocs. Crocs. And this is store price is not on that one. And here we have this classic one by Adidas for 39.99. Alright, okay. Look at this. Slim bag for 27.99. And we have this. Get this, keep it for next summer. You are good to go. 22.99. And behind, more boots, different styles, different brands. Look, I'm loving this. This looks really good. Wide calves friendly. Yep. Let's see. I'm loving this. This is what? 32.99. Yeah. Different types of boots. Up here, suede. Okay. Alright. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time. Bye for now.